Or he makes this empty fucking drink. I can't swear in the intros. I gotta
I'm not even sure why we keep them in the videos.
Your batteries.
Welcome to Common Cocktails. Danny and Derek can make for you the Aperol Sour. Boom! Done. We're done.
I mean, what's in it? Fucking Aperol.
Yeah.
It's an Aperol.
2 ounces Aperol, 3/4 ounce fresh lemon juice.
What makes it sour? Fucking lemon juice.
Half ounce of simple syrup, half ounce of egg white, optional, but who would
What
ever
makes
make
it?
it optional?
Yeah, what makes it a real sour? Egg white.
Yeah.
Don't put it in. You're a bitch. It's simple as that. Don't be like, oh, I don't want it to taste like egg. No, it doesn't taste like egg.
Salmonella.
Yeah, I don't want salmonella.
Fuck it, you get over your salmonella.
Don't be a bitch. It's like,
You made it through COVID, you can make it through salmonella.
right?
And you're not going to get salmonella.
And you're not.
Don't touch the egg.
Just don't lick the fucking shell.
Yeah.
Well,
Right?
I mean, licking it.
I mean, if it comes from the
excessive.
supermarket, it's all
fine.
fucking clean.
Right. Unless they're all
If you get
broken.
it out of the chicken's butt, like, just don't lick it.
Right. And if you shit on it, wipe your hands
Yeah.
in it, and then you can eat it.
Yeah.
Not boil it first.
You put it in your partner's butt, you gotta clean it.
Right.
Like,
Especially if it's soft
again,
boiled.
don't lick it.
Soft
Well,
boiled.
that's a thing, but okay.
Well,
Put a soft boiled egg in
Well, they
your
can
butt.
take an awful lot of pressure if you apply it properly, right?
Yeah, it has to be equal now.
Yeah.
Which is great for
I
stickers.
don't know,
Yeah,
Ian,
that's what
but
I'm
you
saying.
seem to be an expert.
it's an
I'm
MIT study.
just a
The challenge is getting it in, not keeping it on.
MIT study. Is that a joke? I don't know.
Our executive producer is NCC71201. I forgot to say that every single week, but they'll have your producer tags. Will float down by the bottom. This drink has zero history to it because I found it on the internet.
Because somebody liked Aperol.
Well, the history is.
And who doesn't like
Yeah.
fucking sours?
Here's the history. I was like, hey, ChatGPT, give me like the top 25
I've seen a
cocktails.
lot of ChatGPT
Yep.
lately.
And it was like,
Oh,
this
right.
came up near the end of the
It's
top.
like he works in AI or something.
Yeah.
I know.
And it came up near the end, and I was like, an Aperol Sour? What the fuck is that? So I was like, what's an Aperol Sour? And it's like, boom, here you go. And I was like, okay, let's see if this is
Is anything like a Campari sour?
I went. So
I should have tried it.
That's worse.
Jesus
I like-
Christ almighty.
yeah, he's making a
Yeah,
sloppy
it
mess.
doesn't make it seal very
Um,
well.
Yeah.
You can just throw this on this and it'll be good. So I went out and I searched just to see if ChatGPT was lying to me.
Yep.
No, there's other people who have them out there. The thing is, it's like, it's not a complicated concept. A sour is 2 ounces of spirit and then like either lemon or lime, depending on the spirit,
Yeah.
and
That
some sort of
froth looks
simple syrup.
Yeah.
So it's not like a stretch. If you wanted a Montenegro sour, you replace
You
that
can do
with
it.
Montenegro or a Verna. Or I wouldn't do Luxardo. That would be shit.
Oh no, Luxardo would be a lot.
Fernet Branca.
Interesting.
That
Hmm?
would
I said Chinar might be interesting.
Yeah,
that
that
would
could
be
be
fun.
interesting.
it would be a little probably more tart than this. I wouldn't do a Fernet Branca.
But the thing
Feel
is,
like that
you
would
get
be a
the
lot.
awesome color with Aperol.
Yeah, but look at the gradient.
How
It's
velvety it is.
you can't. Well, he puts it.
Oh, that is good.
He pours it on the non-camera. It's literally not on any camera right now.
It was so good.
Someone will see it.
Damn. It's really good. Ian, you've been making some good head.
And this looks like something you get
You
at a
got
bar.
a good dry.
Yes.
Ian.
No, I mean, maybe it's a fucking organic egg. I don't know. Maybe it's a jumbo size. But I got
Put that in your mouth.
oh,
Yeah,
put that in.
it's
I'm like-
definitely Pete's.
jealous half the time I see that.
So good.
Oh
I
shit.
like the foam on this.
Oh
Shit.
shit!
Oh shit. I'm gonna be drinking that later. Because who doesn't like fucking Aperol?
Yeah, but it's not aggressive.
No.
It's almost sweet.
Ah,
and sour.
Jen,
It looks
you're
like
really,
that
you're
Jello
like that.
whipped cream, doesn't it?
This is like you can have what the hell's a green drink?
Midori sour.
Midori sour, and then one of these.
Oh, Midori sour is good.
Is that like some
Mm.
sort of quest?
Mhm.
Line 'em
Achievement
up.
unlocked.
Yes.
You put them side by side, and
Like you start off with a Midori, and then you go to the Aperol, and you're just
You
like,
can have a Christmas
Oh,
party
that's
where
good.
they're just like
that's good,
It's like a-
right?
Good.
it's
red
like
drink,
a,
green drink, red drink, green
There
drink.
you
red
go.
drink,
Yeah.
green drink.
It's
like
like
a-
Christmas. There you
a
go.
vision quest.
Can you imagine our next party? It's just going to be Aperol and Midori.
Yeah,
We're going to be all
down one
fucking lit up.
Fucking rocked off our minds and sugar.
Just fucking cracked eggs everywhere.
Everybody's on the ground licking the shell.
Shit. I think we all die after, but that's fine.
You see it on the news headline: 14 people found dead at
At
party,
cocktail
all
party.
salmonella
All
poisoning.
because they licked eggs.
We live the good life.
One man interviewed said, "What store did they get them at?" So the store didn't have salmonella. That guy went by and pooped on them all.
That's good.
Yeah.
Oh, Jalitha would have drank that whole thing.
Yeah.
Thank God she's not here.
You know what it does though? It brings out whatever the flavor is in this.
Yeah, citrusy. It's got like a
Yeah.
sweet,
That's really good.
But it does have the bitter aftertaste.
but not bad.
No.
It's better than Aperol Spritz because Aperol Spritz tastes too much like champagne. Well, unless you use club soda, but like that, it feels like that just like lifts up the whatever the core flavor of the Aperol
Yeah,
is.
it's definitely.
The bitter is muted, probably because the egg
Dries it
white
out. Yeah.
is a little dry, so it like focuses it just on the flavor, which
Turns
is
out ChatGPT was right.
dude.
It's like a smidgen of the bitterness.
Yeah,
Like it's like dry and like a little bit bitter.
and the weird thing is like most sours are 2-on-1, right? And this is not like. That's why I was like,
Well,
it's
Aperol's
not-
a little sweet, so maybe that's balancing that out a little
yeah,
bit.
because it's a liqueur versus a
It's because it's not too sweet.
No.
They just add a little bit
Well,
of sugar
because it has
to
the
it.
bitter aftertaste
Yeah.
or the bitter finish.
Well, that didn't last long.
Mm.
No. So highly recommend you try it. I mean, if you don't have a bottle of Aperol, that's gonna be your first problem. But
Yeah, I mean,
it's so.
then
But
you then
Aperol makes the division bell, so you can't.
I don't know how many.
no.
There's a lot of things you can do. with
I would
Aperol.
say in general. I mean, I don't think we had that many parties this year, but
I don't even.
But I mean, summer like Aperol Spritz,
Yeah.
Division
I don't
Bell.
like
Like,
beer, and I like Aperol.
I go through
Yeah.
at least 4 bottles of Aperol a year.
I think a Campari Sour could work.
You've had that in Barcelona. He ordered a caipirinha, but there's a language barrier.
I remember that story.
Because he tells it
I'm
like every
what's
time.
the soda for? Oh, my fucking half a glass of fucking Campari.
Campari and soda. Yeah, so there's that. I would so here's the deal. I would go with this now that
You can never go wrong with. Oh, you fucker!
I just
Come
watched him
on.
roll it right off, and he's just
You gotta
sitting there.
watch that shit.
There's a sink right there. You can get yourself some Aperol. Now you can get the Division Bell, which is a mezcal cocktail. Aperol Spritz, obviously. This. What else? We want to do other stuff because I go through so much Aperol. Maybe it's just the Division Bell.
Isn't-
Division Bell.
The
Isn't
Division Bell's a 4-ounce drink, but I usually make them. So it's a drink that goes in a glass smaller than this. But
There's
I always
a lot of stuff that takes Aperol.
no. Here's the deal.
usually
When we make a Division Bell,
I mean, Division Bell.
I
like,
make
kills
them in
it.
lowball glasses and
Yeah.
not 2 to 3 ounce coupe.
It does look like a drink skull.
Yeah.
Mm.
And so I end up going through a lot of it making these. What's going on? Oh, you got to pair it with your cucumber. There's no history of the Aperol Sour. The history here
It's
is
just fucking good.
if you go to like those old history, like those old classic cocktail books, they will have what they call a sour, and it's probably either a whiskey sour, a gin sour. Like they have a category, and in there it's just whiskey sour, gin sour, blah, blah, blah. They're all the same. The only difference in this case is it's a liqueur, so it's sweeter. And you cut the balance on the syrup, and you just do all lemon.
See, paper plane. That's what I
The
thought.
last word has
The last word has Aperol.
Last word. What last word?
The
no.
last word has.
Last word does not have
chartreuse
Aperol
in it.
because it's
Yeah,
a green
maraschino.
color.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a green color to it.
That's the drink that I found a riff
Paper
of.
Plane does not have Aperol. I don't think it has.
No, it has that-
Amaro Nonino.
Yeah, the one that's made for paper that has a paper plane thing on it.
Oh yes.
Daiquiri Aperol instead of Curacao. Well, I've never thought of like in using that instead of an orange. It is orange, so I can see that.
It's
I don't
not
know.
the same,
The
though.
orange
No, no.
carousel. Mm.
Instead of orange Curacao,
We could make a margarita with Aperol.
really
That we could try.
Oh,
Like,
yeah, you could.
Help you.
You can do that.
This is good though. This is like a Midori sour. Like
Yeah.
Midori sour, you can have like one or two. Like
This
you
is
could
better
literally
than
have a
a Midori
Midori sour and then have this.
But the problem is,
Like
you
that's a
drink-
good start to the night.
Yeah.
But if you drink a Midori sour, it's the second Midori sour that's hard. Like the first one, you're like, oh, it's great, but then it's very sweet.
Oh, I don't know.
I
can drink like two. I can drink it. I can definitely drink two.
When you
Because we were drinking at the house. I can definitely drink two. And then one of these.
but when you count the number of drinks of that type you can have on one hand, it's got something. It's a
yeah.
lot.
Yeah.
Like it's sweet and like I like them. Don't get me wrong. It's just it's like I can only have so many Jolly Ranchers before I'm like I don't need any more fucking Jolly Ranchers.
Yes.
Bartender Starter Kit from monsterdrinks.com is in the link
I'm
below.
missing that circuit in my brain.
Yeah.
I'm like looking at it, I'm like,
thing.
yeah, I'm like, what do you mean? You can
You
have to
can
stop
just
after a
have, dude. Jolly Ranchers. After a while, it's like it's a lot.
Well, you have to
Wait.
stop the Sour Patch Kids because they hurt your
Oh,
tongue
no.
for a while.
Today?
That's different.
That's why they
Citric
make them in bag-sized bags.
I went in Tyler's room and I was like he's like, Dad, we're like looking at something for like his college, and he's like going through some stuff, and he's got a bag of fucking Sour Patch Kids, and I pick them up, and they were tropical flavor,
Nice.
and I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna have like one. And then I'm like, I'm gonna have like two. And then I'm like talking to him, and I'm literally just like shoving, like, I'm just like, oh.
He looks back. He got 18 of them hanging out.
I went back to my office, and I was disgusted with myself. I was just like, I can't believe how many I just ate in like 5 minutes.
Like, I just had 700 calories. I have no enamel left in my teeth, and I feel like I want to kill myself.
I'm like, but they're sour and they're so sweet.
You know, the sour watermelons. Those ones that I buy the sour watermelons when we go to like the movies or whatever. Like, and I grab the little bag of sour watermelons. And the game is, how long can I go before I open the bag of sour watermelons?
Oh.
Because I open it up when I see like
Then they're done.
they're gone.
No,
And I'm like,
you gotta wait till the movie
the
starts.
lights don't even dimmed yet, and they're
No,
fucking
no, no.
gone. Like they're gone. Like the first preview
Mm-mm.
is there. The only thing that slows me down is if it's super quiet because the bag crinkles, so you don't want to like be too much. So you're like trying to grab the little watermelons out. That doesn't take long. You can just 4 or 5 at a time. Plus, you're spending $8 and only getting a small bag.
You can't eat any of that stuff until the movie starts.
No, you eat it before it even starts.
Julie think it's so
I don't
mad.
get food at the movie theater.
Julie think it's so mad, but even at home,
Too, yeah.
even at
Even
home,
if you
like,
bring it with
if
you.
we're gonna have like a snack while we watch like a movie.
We got other people's ear sensitivities to be concerned with.
At home, I'm like, no. At home, I just, well, I have to, because I don't want
It's
to
a
eat
game
it
you play
all.
with yourself.
Because if I eat it all before the movie starts, then I'm just like, during the movie, I'm like, this sucks.
No, yeah.
Anyways, that was a
Here's your question of the day. How do you
Are you a
digest
guilty
and
eater?
handle?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you a guilty eater? What's your guilty pleasure?
And when you're watching a movie, can you make it through the previews with your candies and stuff before you're like, fuck them all out? I'm done. The only thing I
No.
don't do is I'll eat all the Sour Patch Kids or all the sour watermelons, but I won't drink all my drink because then I'm up peeing like fuck.
Yeah, no, you
Oh,
can't.
yeah.
Because the
Yeah.
small, they're like, here's a small, and you're like, oh, there you go, $18, right? Like,
Yeah.
anyway, that's neither here nor there. You can get the bartender starter kit below. There's some videos over Ian's head. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.